Hi everyone, welcome to Geek New Zealand. Today we will unbox and review smartwatch dt18 from number one smartwatch. So let's get into it. dt18 is a quality smartwatch at a budget price which is loaded with all high-end features. Watch has a HD circle display screen, adamant steel watch frame, vacuum coating technology with 2.5D radiant glass polish through 45 processes and 113 working procedures. It's loaded with features like track multiple sports, measure blood oxygen levels, heart rate monitoring, blood pressure monitoring, track steps, sleep, search your phone feature, move alerts. It has options to choose from massive cool dials with a swipe of a finger. It has long battery life up to 7 days and a magnetic charging makes life easy. Each smartwatch is equipped with a leather strap and a silicone strap. You can choose different watch faces and straps and create your own identity. It is IP67 waterproof and dustproof, making it ideal for outdoors and swimming. Supports real-time alerts from your smartphone app, call reminders and SMS alerts, and weighs around 53 grams. Comes in black, gold and a silver color option. It's fully installed now. Smart alerts worked fine and the battery is still going good. It doesn't have inbuilt GPS, so you need to keep your phone with you when you go for a run. So if this phone came with a GPS inbuilt, this would actually kill the market for some of the high-end brands. The visibility in the sun has scope for improvement, but otherwise the quality of the watch is good and price is excellent. Like always, I will post all the details about the product in the description of the video, so please do check it out. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Keep sending your review requests.